With kids, I'll show you right now. You can see they open the door and they ding it all the time. And you see, look, they've done this right here. Why is SunTek like the right PPF for this?
So, you know, since you're going with the overland deal, you're gonna be doing a lot of off-roading. And I know you chose the satin paint protection film with SunTek. When you're going through shrubs and bushes and whatnot, you definitely won't regret having the protection film on the car, protecting it from minor scratches, chips, when you're doing your off-road stuff. As you can see, we try to keep this place as clean as we can. Lighting, you know, we've invested a lot of money over the years, wall lighting, to really be able to see anything in the paint, minor imperfections, things like that, we can correct, polish before we go ahead and start wrapping the car to do our thing.
I'm so stoked with how this thing turned out. It looks incredible. I couldn't have picked a better partner to do this with, and SunTek, I'm so appreciative of how this turned out. And Ghost Shield, you guys did an amazing, like an immaculate job on wrapping this thing. Like the detail that went into this, taking pieces apart, making sure that every little piece was wrapped and done proper. Like, thank you so much. All kinds of scratches from the different, you know, brush and debris that we hit along the way. Some back here on the back. Oh my gosh, look how dirty and filthy this thing is. And you can start to see them even more. You see that through there? Just wipe that down. And a little more time in the sun and it's just gonna be back to new. Like, look at that. You can't even see where I wiped it already. But look how beautiful the paint is underneath there. Oh, so many glitters and sparkles. Make sure you go check out SunTek PPF. Thank you so much to those guys that got it done. Thanks so much to Ghost Shield for making it happen and putting it all together.